So Leviathan fishing rods, one of the things that we're most proud of, might surprise you unless you've heard about us, and you're well versed with who we are and what we do. But we're not proud of our sales. We're not proud of the bottom line. We're not proud of the margins that we get out of our fishing rods. That stuff's important, but it's not defining who we are as a company. What I cherish the most is the fact that we give back from every rod that's sold. Our nonprofit that we focus on is called Foster Village, and Foster Village is a local resource center for foster families and kids. It's particularly important to us here at Leviathan because I was a foster kid myself. So it's not something that we're using to sell fishing rods. Quite the contrary. It is part of the reason why we're doing this in the first place. Let's put out a quality fishing product, maybe the best that there is, but let's also impact our community for the better. Change lives, improve where we live, and be good neighbors to the least of these in our community. And that's why this Keep Austin Fishing Project in particular is such a great thing as well, because they want the same thing for this neighborhood and this community. So a portion of every rod that you guys buy, of every Keep Austin fishing rod, goes to help out Foster Village as well. And I think that is something that we're all proud of here in designing and rolling out these fishing rods for you guys.